बच्चों, ये हमारे क्लास 6 की रेनबो का लेसन 14 नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस है। नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. He was also known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in a Hindu family in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janaki Nath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He was a very brilliant student in the school. He completed his schooling from Cuttack, matriculation from Calcutta, now Kolkata, and BA from the University of Calcutta in 1918. Later, his father sent him to England to appear in the Indian Civil Services (ICS) examination. He passed and joined the service, but soon he resigned from the Indian Civil Services and returned to India to participate in the freedom movement. He was very much influenced by the nationalist Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, his political guru. He motivated the people to join the freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose strongly opposed British rule through the newspaper called Swaraj. He went away to Singapore and formed his own Indian National Army (INA), also known as Azad Hind Fauj. He gave the slogan to his army, Delhi Chalo and Jai Hind. He inspired his army through his great words, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," to make his motherland free from the rule of the Britishers. It is believed that Netaji died in a plane crash in Taiwan in 1945, but the mystery of his death is still unsolved. Netaji will always be alive within the heart of every Indian as an everlasting inspiration.